What's up guys, Joshua here with Shopping Tech, and in this video I'm just going to unbox and do a demonstration of this helicopter that my buddy from Boy Scouts let me unbox. So without further ado, let's get into this unboxing, even though I did it under the sale. Let's take a look at the inside the box. So I'm just going to pull out the top. So first we have to take out the insert. This is more difficult than it looks. That, and we kind of got it. Oh, there we go. Now I can actually remove the system. I don't want to break it. Where's my flipper? Okay. That's the power of editing magic. I don't have to say when I say I don't have to do what I say. I can always change in editing. Where we got the controller out. Now for the main kit itself. Alright,